Welcome back to another video. So in the last video we have created that storing our notes in the database. Now let's see its preview first, and then we will see how we can read that notes and display it in our app in the recycler view. So let's jump back to Android Studio and view our app. So first, I have created a new emulator because there is a issue with the previous emulator. That's why it's not showing in the last video. So in this video, I have created new emulator. Then when we click on the plus button in our app, it will go to the next screen. So here I will pass title as first note, description as this is trial note. And when we click on add note, it will automatically clear all the field as note are successfully added. Message is also displayed, and when we see in the database itself, it is added. We will add another note, so like second note. Then this is another trial note, and click on add note. It will be also added. Then you can see it over here. It is also added. So yeah, so this whole part is now working. So let's jump back how we can create a display part for the same, or how to display the notes in the main screen. So before doing that, we need to create one data class I already created. So in that data class you need to create a string that is id, title and description as per according these fields. Okay, those are database fields, right? And we need to create two constructor, which is first one is the empty constructor and second one is the constructor which contain all these three fields. And then we need to create a getter and setter. So to create getter and setter, you can do simple one thing. Just click on anywhere inside that class, press on alt insert. When you click on alt insert, it will open the generate option, and in that you can see getter and setter. So now as I have already created, it is showing no fields, but you will see the all fields. Click on all the fields, it will just create you the getter and setter. Okay, so now we can close this one. Also, another class we need to create, that is our adapter class. So adapter class will help to dynamically set the layout with help of Firebase and as well as our XML files. Okay, so to do that, again create another class, name it as adapter. You can name it anything you want to do. Then you click on class, and then you need to do extends Firebase Recycler adapter. So to do this, before you need to add one dependency. So to add dependency, go to Gradle scripts. You can see over here at the bottom. So click on it, Gradle scripts, then open the build.gradle module. So over here, if you go down, you will find all dependencies. So in that, you need to add this dependency called Firebase UI database. Okay, so this will allow us to use this particular Firebase recycler adapter. Okay, so just copy it, or you can just type it, and here the option will be popping up like sync now. So syncing, click on it, it will sync some updates, and after a few time it will be done. Then you can proceed with creation of this class. Okay, so in the Firebase recycler adapter we need to pass two things. First is our data class, that is yeah, and second is the view holder class. So we will create a view holder class first. We will create public class view holder extends view holder. Okay, so the class is created. So for class here we will pass. Okay, so let's first solve this error. Just click on alt enter. Sorry, here you can see on bulb it will ask a constructor or create a constructor, then click on it. Okay, so this class has no errors now. We will add this adapter class in this parameter. Okay, so here we will click on alt enter, so it will automatically update as adapter dot adapter view holder. So after creating this, so make sure you did not create the method first. You just need to create this class, that is adapter holder view holder class first. Create a constructor in it, just clicking on the given suggestion, and when after adding it in your as a parameter, then you can solve this error. So just click on it, you can see the light bulb over here that is showing red. Click on it, so it will says like implement method. So click on that, it will implement these two methods. So as now you can see the error is gone, but we need to again do the same thing. Go on it, click on bulb, create constructor matching super, and as you can see the constructor is also created. You can now delete this part. So as you can see the code is not that much complicated, so it's as clear. So now we need to figure out few things, right? So for our view that we have created, that is custom view, to set that, we need to do this in this particular method, that is on create view holder. So what we will do, we will create a view object equals to, we will set layout inflator dot from, then here we can pass parent dot get context dot inflate. Then we can set up our resource layout, that is r dot id dot what is our, sorry, r dot layout dot custom, no, dot, we can say, I think that's maybe enough, or dot in, I think I'm missing something here. I need what is it, just let's see what are the other parameters. Connect method loading, okay, let me remove this so I can see the error. Cannot resolve inflate int. uh, what is different, what is different, get content inflate, nahi. Let's see what I did in my previous projects, so we will figure out all the things. Yeah, after, it's after a long time I have opened under sudo, that's why it sometimes forgot the things. So yeah, as you can see we have done the similar thing, but we need to pass another two parameter, that's parent and false. Okay, so we will pass another parameters as parent, then we will pass it as false. Pass semicolon, the error is gone. And here we will pass adapter, we can say new adapter view holder, and that we will pass our view. Yeah, the error is gone. So now we have called our layout, right? So now we have to set our particular path. So for that we will go to custom node. Here we can see our id is node name, just copy that. So we are displaying only name, so we will call our text view title. So again we have to find the id equals to item view dot. So here you cannot write directly find view by id, because the ids are stored in item view, because a particular view will be created at the runtime. So that's why we need to use item view dot find view by id. So as in this way we have created our object of title. Then now to set that, we need to go to onBind view holder. Okay, so to do that we can just simply pass as like holder dot title dot set text, In that we will pass model dot get get title. Okay, dot to string we can also do, but it is not mandatory. So in this way we will able to set the title to a particular uh, item or particular card. Okay, so let's save that. Now we have to call these all things in our main activity, or you can say our main page. So to do that, go to main activity. So as you can see, I have created a empty object of data class, that is by calling the null constructor. So after that we can use a query object from Firebase, that is query is equals to Firebase database dot get instance dot get reference, and we will pass our child. What is our child name? Notes. So but basically query is nothing but you can try different types of queries, like you want particular specific data or specific kind of date wise data or specific order by data. So for that we can use query, but for now we want to display all the nodes, so we are just simply passing the whole path our nodes. Then we will use Firebase recycler options. So in that we need to pass data. Here we will pass options equals to new fire Firebase recycle options dot builder. So here we will pass it as build. Okay, but inside this, let's see what is the issue. Migrate to Firebase recycle option change variable type. I think we need to pass our fields over here, right? Mm, let's see. Here I will set it as data, and here I think this is the best part. Then we will do Firebase recycler adapter, that is data, comma, view folder. It requires view folder. No. We will check with the old project. I think something is missing. So here, uh, main activity. Oh, we are in the same project. Sorry. So here we can see. So we have created a query, then options. We use set query function. Okay. So we will do the same thing. Dot set query. So here we will pass query, comma, data dot class. So and again build. Then now what we gonna do? We will create a option of object of our adapter class. Okay. So in that we will pass adapter. Adapter is equals to new adapter, and here we need to pass the options, that is Firebase options. And then for our recycler view we need to set our adapter, so we will set our adapter. Okay, so it will not start the like displaying the adapter or displaying the list of our nodes. So to enable that we need to implement two methods, that is on start and on stop. So on start method, just type it as adapter dot start listening. So whenever the method or the activity file is created, so it will start listening to that adapter, and whenever it is stopped, or whenever the activity is killed, it will stop the listening. So yeah, it might little bit of confusing for you, but understand, it is a kind of part of what you can say Android activity lifecycle thing. So if we need to do mandatorily to achieve our goal. Okay, so yeah, let's get a quick overview. We have created the query, that is to our path. Just simply we pointed to our path, then created the recycler option. So in that we have passed our data, and with the help of set query we set the query and our data class. Then we created an object of adapter, and in that we have passed the options. Then we set that adapter to recycler view, and then we just simply used on start and on stop method to start and stop listening to the adapter. But before that also we need to do one thing. So like, we need to set the layout to recycler view. So recycler view dot set layout manager. So in that new linear layout manager, and here we can pass this. Okay, so that's the simplest thing. So now let's rerun the app and let's see the data is showing in our main page or not. It will take some time, but yeah, it will work. It says launching activity. So as you can see, first node, second node, and if I go and add third node, let's check our condition also here. If I click on add node, it says please enter title and description. So both our fields are mandatory. So I will type something random, click on add node. So nodes are added. Go to back screen. Sorry, rerun the app. That's not the necessity thing, like you need to rerun. Basically I closed. So third node, second node, first node. So now if you want to check the real time thing, we will do one simple step. So as you can see, now there are three nodes, right? So we will delete the third one and it will automatically disappear from here, like this. So we will click on delete. As you can see, it has automatically disappeared. We did not need to reload, or we did not need to rerun the thing. So that's the main real-time database benefit. Okay, so it do the changes at the same time, real time. Okay, also we use the Firebase UI to enable all these. That's why it is happening in real time. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. In the next video we will see how we can display the description of the node, as well as we can how we can edit the whole node. Okay, so yeah, thank you for joining in this video and see you in the next video.